Yeah, I just got the Vornado Alchemy, so I busted the tape open just because I've been waiting to see this thing. Hope it's decent. The packaging is nice. Hey, we'll make it perfect. Book of some sort. Maybe it tells me, hey, plug it in and it works. We'll see. I'm gonna unbox this, put this up on the front desk, and then we'll see if this thing's decent. I have this thing out now. Packaging was decent. I had to basically grab the sides here with my feet, and then lift the bag that it's in from the string. But I'm dying to see what this thing looks like. It looked pretty sweet online. I'm hoping. I had an old Hunter. I think it was called like a Rockefeller series. The Rockefeller weighed about 30 pounds more than this thing, but this thing feels pretty solid right now. I like the color of this one, so that's decent. I think this color was the most expensive one, but I figured, I'm gonna be looking at it for a while. Got the buttons over here for the speed, tilt feature. We'll take a peek at the back too. Let's see. All right. Well, it seems like it's solid. I'm hoping it's just an upgraded version. The Hunter one, the Hunter Rockefeller one was I think $200 or so, but that thing lasted like 20 years. I'm hoping this thing's pretty decent. Take a peek at those. It's not bad. I like the looks of it. Just wondering how you're gonna open this thing when you need to clean it. So right in there. So this is kind of a replica of that. I guess this is the modern day Hunter one. I'll try to put a picture of the Hunter one. See if I can do it here and put it next to it in the video. I'm not sure if I have the editing skills for that, but we'll see how that looks side by side, if I'm able to do that even. All right, cool. All right, so let's check this out. We'll turn this bad boy on. Oops, I'm gonna pull that mic. That's the noise on power level 1. Let's go up to 2. Oh, maybe that's not. Oh man, that sucks. The power level 1 here. I was kind of hoping this thing was gonna blow harder than it does. Odd. So very odd setup here, where when you turn it on, it's on full, and then you have to turn it down. That makes 0 sense. You would assume it would go like small, medium, large. Now this thing's like that makes 0 sense. So this is full. 2 and 1. I still like it. It's a gorgeous. It's a good looking. It's a good looking fan. As an aside, you can unscrew the side over here, and then you can tip it. I'll show you the tip on this thing if I can do it right. Tip it up and down. I don't have the angles on that. This seems like it's just a little bit lower than horizontal at its lowest. At its top, there's my hand in it. I'm gonna say that's maybe 15 degrees. I'll see if I can find that stuff, but here's the oscillation feature. So I guess I'll be interested. I'm kind of interested to see if it oscillates faster when it's on a higher power. If it keeps that same speed of oscillation, see if that's separate and. It's going to be a decent fan. There's a lot of wind coming out of this thing, so we'll see. I'm going to try it tonight. Here's the show that I was talking about. The Hunter over here. This is the one that is awesome, and then the Vornado is here on the windowsill. So I didn't want to take them downstairs. This thing's incredibly old, rusted. As I've seen some reviews that sometimes these ones rust a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see. It's a really good looking fan though. The base is smaller, which I like. Not as heavy, doesn't seem as sturdy, but still, let's give it a shot tonight.